The DrveTion AT20 folding electric bike is a compact yet powerful companion designed for riders who want performance, comfort, and convenience all in one package. Built for both city commuting and light off-road exploration, it combines a strong aluminum alloy frame with advanced technology, making every journey smooth, efficient, and enjoyable. At the heart of the AT20 is a 250W high-power motor, capable of delivering strong torque for tackling various terrains and gradients up to 30 degrees. This motor offers responsive acceleration and a top speed of up to 45 kilometers per hour, ensuring both agility and fun during your rides. Despite its compact frame, this e-bike packs a surprising punch, providing all the power you need for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Powering the bike is a 48V 10Ah Samsung 21700 battery, known for its reliability and long-lasting energy output. With its advanced cell structure, the battery ensures stable performance and durability. Riders can expect a range of 25 to 35 kilometers in pure electric mode and 40 to 60 kilometers in pedal assist mode, making it perfectly suited for medium-distance travel. Charging is simple and efficient, using a 100 240V standard European plug charger that's compatible with most outlets. The 20X 4.0-inch CST fat tires provide excellent grip and stability across a variety of surfaces, from smooth pavement to gravel paths. These spoke wheels feature shock-absorbing air holes, reducing impact and improving comfort, even on bumpy terrain. Combined with the disc brake system, the AT20 offers reliable stopping power and greater safety under different riding conditions. To enhance control and riding flexibility, the AT20 includes a 7-speed transmission and 5 power assist levels, allowing you to easily switch between effortless cruising and high-powered bursts. The color LCD display provides clear real-time data such as speed, mileage, and battery level, keeping you informed whether you're riding under bright sunlight or in the dark. The foldable aluminum alloy frame makes this e-bike incredibly practical for urban lifestyles. It's easy to store in small spaces, carry on public transportation, or fit into a car trunk, ideal for commuters and travelers who value flexibility. In essence, the DrveTion AT20 strikes the perfect balance between portability, strength, and performance. With its powerful motor, durable Samsung battery, and comfortable fat tires, it's built to handle both the daily grind of city commuting and the occasional off-road adventure with confidence and ease.